We continue as we now discuss motor drying methods. In essence, a motor is dried by warming the stator coil windings in order to evaporate any moisture. There are primarily three methods we can employ, namely, using heaters or lamps, using an oven, and using low-voltage DC power supplies. In the first method, a low-wattage lamp or heating element is positioned into the rotor cavity. The whole apparatus is then covered with a box, which must allow for ventilation. A drying period of approximately 6 hours is required, or until resistance readings read above 0.5 megaohms. This method of drying is suitable for small motors. When dealing with large stator assemblies, drying requires more elaborate equipment, such as a thermostatically controlled drying oven. This type of equipment is normally only available at specialist workshops, such as armature winders. The third method of drying is to pass a DC supply through the stator windings. The supplied current and voltage is carefully controlled to around 10 or 20% of the motor's rated voltage. This is enough to allow the coils to heat up safely and evaporate any moisture present. This concludes Program 3. We urge that you now make reference to your workbook to complete this program of instruction.